put on some music and get it done with me. Let's go. So we've been trying to do some upgrades to the house. So we got a whole new setup in the living room. When you have kids, you will find things in the most craziest places. So these kids is testing my spirit. I'm about to cook dinner. I'll bring you guys along with that. I'm gonna make some curry, chickpea curry. I'm so excited. 365 days you woke me up. 360. Okay, y'all. So I started my Sabbath prep this week pretty early, so that's good. So I'm about to do my skincare, oral care, everything. Then I just like to take a clean washcloth, y'all. I use a new washcloth every time I wash my face. So after I use this, it goes straight into the laundry. But I use a clean washcloth and I wipe it off. I just feel like it really helps cleanse my skin more. Put on some music and get it done with me. Let's go. Okay, y'all, so we've been trying to do some upgrades to the house. So we got a whole new setup in the living room. We painted the wall green. And now we are over here trying to get rid of this situation. So I found something really cool I want to share with you guys. So let's get into it. So what these do, they conceal, you know, those cords you don't want to be seen, or even just unsafe if you have kiddos like me. It really conceals it all. Underneath this, you secure the cords to the wall with the adhesive, and that way whatever you need to connect, you have it concealed in a spot that you can't see it in. So I'm about to try this out right here in our entertainment center and then around the house. So let's do it. And clearly I need to get up in here and sleep as well. When you have kids, you will find things in the most craziest places. I don't know how a chicken wing got down here, but we're about to sweep this up really quick. The rest of all my days, Jesus, hey, Jesus, I give you all the praise. The rest of all my days, yeah. So instead of running down directly behind it where it has to sit on top, just so everything can access it, I'm actually going to try to run it from this end so I can conceal this outlet where the kids won't be able to access it, and then run this through and have everything connect to this. So this one has three. So this one has 3 outlet ports. Okay, so this is at the end of all of the entertainment center. So I'm going to put it here. And run this on that one. So let's see how that goes. Okay, so I went ahead and put everything in the cabinets. So everything is very discreet now. You can't see anything, no cords, and it's awesome. Like these are really nice. I'm gonna be putting them around the house. Highly recommend, especially if you have kiddos or if you just have a really, really nice decorative home. And those cords and outlets can just be an eyesore. So really, really cute. But let me give you a quick little view. This is not complete, but I know I haven't shown you guys the new I haven't shown y'all the new living room setup. The kids are in here playing. So we got this beautiful set off of Amazon as well. It comes with the cabinets, and then we bought the bookshelf separately. So we have those two end bookshelves. I'm still in the middle of decorating, so if y'all have any ideas, let me know. And yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed that, but we still got prepping to do, so let's get into it. So these kids is testing my spirit. Look at this room. Somebody look at this. Clean it up. It's Jetty. Clean up.
And it's so funny how life goes, all the ups and downs and a cycle, yeah. Just trying to get it right though, with every new day, new battles. That's just how it goes. Keep you on your 10 toes, hey, let it all unfold, babe, babe. Let it ride like the tides when the waves come in, and on the other side you may find why you made the trip, yeah. I know you realize the divide in the way of life you can't have, yeah, without the yeah. Ebbs and flows, let go of what you can't control. I made some peace out of my pain, laughing, moving fast like a speed train. Still thankful for the bad days, 'cause they be working out in their own way. And that's just how it goes. Keep you on your 10 toes, let it all unfold, babe, babe. Let it ride like the tides when the waves come in, and on the other side you may find why you made the trip, yeah. I know you realize the divide in the way of life you can't have, yeah, without the yeah.
I am so tired, y'all. I think I'm done for the day. I'm gonna probably finish up the laundry later tonight, but I'm about to cook dinner. I'll bring you guys along with that. I'm gonna make some curry, chickpea curry. I'm so excited. Probably gonna do it with some plantains. All the kids are asleep right now, so that's why I'm talking lower. But yeah, let's go ahead and cook this dinner, and then yours will. If you like what you see, give it a try and let me know down in the comment section below. All right.
Yo, yo, yo. Ay, 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 yo. Ay, 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 yo. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ay, 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 yeah, 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 yeah. The beat is ready and I'm riding. When I come around, they excited. Like I wanna keep to the garden. So I put it up and I light it. Tell me how you like it. Got me on the wheel, I'ma drive it. But they wanna raise up the mileage. Well, I don't like to turn my back, and so I work and give back. May I just try to day my lane. I got the gang behind now. Listen when they call my name. I found a voice within me. No man can curse, but God I has made. So I can be your pain when the dark is closing in. See, they want to lock me down when they try to take me down. We be flying off the ground when the world is going out, when the earth is falling in. This is the mind, this is the light. This is the dawn, this is the way. I see the dream coming before me. I've been the one, don't have to say it. This is the vibe, don't need to fake it. Seeing the world, living beyond it. This is the key so I can save you. Well, I don't like to turn my back, so I work and give back. May I just try to do my lane. Got a gang behind now. Listen when they call my name. I found a voice within me. Now I can't curse, but God has made. So let me be your pain when the dark is closing in. See, they want to love you now when they try to take you down. We be flying off the ground when the